Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the 4 elements of speaking English, and if you master them you will not have any problem. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I would like to address the first thing is fear. We all have some kind of fears and nobody is without fear. So we are so afraid of making mistakes, but first of all we have to understand that English is not a native language for us. It's a second language. If you make any mistakes in this language, it's all right, it's not a big deal. Even you can see native speakers, they also make mistakes, but they try to learn from their mistakes. Okay, so if you make any mistakes, it's all right. Improvement is something which really matters. Okay, and once you start doing anything you will have so many obstacles there, but it's only you who will overcome all the obstacles that will come in your way. Okay, so we don't have to be very afraid of being judged by the other people, and you don't have to be very afraid of making mistakes, because whenever we try to speak something in front of others, we always think about the other people and their opinions, like what are they gonna think about me. You don't have to think about them, you just have to focus on yourself, and you have to improve yourself in this language. And the second thing, discipline is very important in this language. If you start living your life in a very disciplined way, you will definitely speak English, but you have to be very disciplined. Okay, if I give you an example, like the society where you are living at present, if there is no discipline, what will happen? There will be disorder, there will be chaos everywhere. Okay, so we all have to live in a very disciplined way. Even you can see the soldiers, they live a very disciplined way. They are very disciplined. They have to carry out all the orders by the commandant. Okay, so if you start living your life in a very disciplined way, you will start seeing your improvement there. Okay, and consistent, you have to be very consistent in your effort. Like repetition is very important element in this language. Repetition helps you to reinforce, solidify your effort in this language. And once you start doing your practice in this language, because most of the time I have seen people, like they have already they have invested, they have spent their time in this language, but all of a sudden they give up. They say like they have not improved so much in this language, but they are not very honest with themselves, because the thing is they have not realized that they have also made some improvement, but they don't see their improvement there. Okay, so if you are very consistent in your effort, you will start seeing your improvement there, but you have to be very consistent. And consistency is something like all the information that will be that will be put in your head, and you will start seeing all the advantage. Okay, and don't think like everything will happen, but it will take time. You have to give your some time in this language, and it's not about 2 or 3 months. You have to, first of all, you have to understand yourself, your situation, where you stand. So again you have to work on yourself, because improvement is something which is very important. So in this video, that's all for today. Thanks.